Rio, Rio, dance, dance. Oh, now you see me with the camera. Screw this, Mom. You pulling on your ears again? Your ears hurt? Yeah, see? Well done. Kaden, don't stand so close to the TV, please. Ow, Savannah. Ow. Dance. Dance, Kaden. Shake your butt. Look at brother's moves. Look at that booty shaker. Where do you learn these dance moves, dude?
I don't know. I know how to do that move.
You just know how to shake your butt? I bet the ladies like that. Yeah, guitar moves. Savannah, stop hurting Mom. Sing it. Your brother's crazy. Say crazy, Kaden. You gonna go dance with him? Don't jump so close, because then I can't get you on camera. Alright, back up. Not enough light in here. You gonna fly like Rio? I can't wait till you're old enough and I can show this to your girlfriend.
No.
Kaden, where'd you go? Are you done dancing for me then?